Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
You are not winning this.
You're angry!
I am not angry.
No, what's going on?
When I was coming back, I noticed there were more people by the cave.
Speed.
Thanks, guys!
Get right through!
Get back, you oil-thirsty parasites! Actually, this is my good side here.
Okay, that's enough. No questions, scusi. Out of the way. Back up. Back.
Thanks for the help, Corporal.
Anything for one of Pop's mates.
Tell you about talking to the accused.
To not to.
Well, quit your yapping and tow this.
Neither one of them has a single death.
Oh, I'm gonna fix that! I'm about to commit a moving violation!
man.
1, 2, 3. A winner.
Who'll be jamming now?
Correcto, correcto. Hay que ir recto. Ya oí suficiente. Y fuera.
The tail's down here. I created a drink in your honor.
Yeah, the Rusty's medicated bumper bomb. I'm happier than a tornado in a trailer park.
¿Qué les pasa? ¿Se dan por vencidos? ¡Ah! ¡Tras él! ¡Ah!
Red?
Loosen up these ancient joints!
No, please don't.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Mama! Don't worry, Mama. My queen is very sad. I will...
Nobody to hang out with. I may accept the Dynaco folks. Oh, and the twins, of course. You know the twins, the ones that used to be your fans, but...
If you're implying that I switched out that rot-gut excuse for alternative fuel with mine...
I hereby dub thee.
Time, man.
Ramon will paint you up right. Hey, anything you want. You know, like the flame job.
Maybe then I'll hear the funny popping noise again. I'd like that.
Francesco likes it like this too.
Francesco, I'd like you to meet...
Signorina Sal.
Is he really as good as they say he is? No. Better.
I'm not coming in behind you again, old man.
Listen, I'm gonna cut to the chase. Me, you, dinner.
Cha-chow!
What the? Ow!
Cha-chow! Not my town. Don't